Welcome back, and today let's talk about audio interfaces. So, nung isang araw, may nag-inquire. They inquired about an audio interface. So, I went through asking my usual inquiries. What do they have? How do they use it? And why do they need an audio interface? And it came out that they were using a mixer that had USB capabilities to connect to the computer. Knowing the brand and the model, I checked it out sa net. Then I told them, hindi nyo na po kailangan ng interface because yan na po yan. So, we ended up helping them on the technical na lang. How to connect it, how to set it up, and that was it. So in this video, I'd like to talk about audio interfaces. What it is, what it does, how can it help you. So that by knowing what you actually need and then looking at what you have, you'd probably be able to find out that you actually have all the things that you need. Maybe you just needed to know how to put it together and make it work. So let's start with what's an interface anyway, di ba? First, we have to understand ano ba talaga yung trabaho nun. Now, in the realm of our industry, there's quite a number. You've got your video interfaces, you've got your audio interfaces, even yung pag yung touchscreen, di ba? That's a GUI, which is a graphic user interface. So again, an interface is something that makes things work together. Going back to our subject, what's an audio interface? So basically, an audio interface is to make two devices connect to each other to work as one. Now, advanced users may know this already, so I'm trying to reach out to a lot of the new ones and yung mga nasa, just getting onto this thing. Because yung ating situation ngayon, yung pandemic natin, it kind of forced a lot of people into the need to be able to stream, most specifically the church market. Suddenly, they find themselves in a situation now, wow, now we have to stream our services. So now, yung mga technical teams ng churches, they have found themselves in a situation where they have to find solutions, how to get good audio with their video towards their worship community. So at this point, yung mga interactions na nakukuha namin have been, you've got your houses of worship, you've got people who wanted to stream and stream their music, and you've got people who wanted to create music. So yun lang naman. One of the things I realized after all of these conversations was people have this idea of what an audio interface is. Ako naman, parang gusto ko sabihin, an audio interface is more of a function than a form. It's something that it does. Now, ang tanong, how does it look? It depends on ano yung application. So let me show you some examples para rin mas ma-broader lang natin yung awareness natin. No? So like this small thing, di ba, the iRig. It's an audio interface. Basically what it does, it takes instrument signals so that para ma-accommodate nung microphone input nung phone mo o nung computer. Diba? So it interfaces, it does that job. And it's not digital, it's analog. The task that it does, yung instrument level signal, ginagawa niyang usable for the microphone input ng phone para mag-work ng maayos. Okay. Then you do have this one, and this would be your typical impression of an audio interface. This audio interface was designed for recording. Not to say na hindi rin siya pwede gamitin sa ibang bagay, but it was more or less yung layout na to was designed for recording. It's very simple, inputs, gain, monitoring, yun lang yun. Tapos USB out, simply because in this type of application, kung magre-record ka, all the controls that you need, all the controls that you will do, you'll do doon sa software, sa computer mo. So there was no need of putting anything here. And because probably for some reason, a lot of these things just came out as an audio interface. A lot of people may expect na ito yung parang this is an audio interface, di ba? You also have some small devices like this one. Now this one is an audio interface and designed siya for mobility. It's battery powered, can also be connected to the computer para bus powered siya. You also have the option para magamit mo siya with a wall power supply. It takes microphone and line input, so that's an audio interface also in a different form. And of course, in the last few years, you also have mixers that have incorporated USB connection as well. So yan na rin, the audio interface is built in to this one. So it is most likely a lot of people will recognize it as a mixer, but you'd say it's an audio mixer with a built-in audio interface na, which means it will convert from the analog signal to digital para makonect mo siya sa computer. So following also our direction na yung ating industry na ina-address, churches and people who want to create music, di ba? Yung interfacing na kadalasan na kailangan natin would be to convert analog signals, you could have your microphones or musical instruments, convert that to digital so that mai-connect natin siya with our computers, whether for multi-track recording or whether for streaming. Now, going back to my original application situation where yung church, they inquired about an audio interface, but we later discovered that the mixer that they were using actually had a USB port. All we had to do was find out the brand, know the model, check it out, know what drivers that needed to be downloaded, tell them na kailangan lang install yon, connect, set up, and they were good to go. So therefore, by understanding the equipment they had, they really didn't need to buy something. They just needed to know how to make it work. And they were asking about an audio interface simply because the idea of an audio interface for them was always this one, not something like yung mixer meron ng built-in, diba? So, yun naman yun. We have to understand yung gamit natin na ginagamit. And most of the newer analog mixers right now, they already feature USB connectivity, which already solves that problem of the need to have a external audio interface. So, madali na ikabit yan to your PC or Mac. And the current digital mixers right now, you're pretty much already on the digital realm eh. So pag nagkabit ka sa computer, hindi mo na kailangan pang i-out siya dun sa analog, tapos convert to digital again para lang pumasok sa computer. So you just have to be aware of the capabilities of yung gear na ginagamit nyo ngayon. So yung need natin to interface with, let's say, a computer, with our audio signals, could be done by any of these. No? It's not just only this, dahil naintindihan na natin, this is this simply because yung application niya in recording would be lahat ng controls na sa software na lang dun sa computer, but it could be something like this also, or it could be like this. And at this point in time, sometimes yung costs of these are pretty much the same kasi iba-ibang niche markets na pinupuntahan nila. Parang a live sound guy sa isang church, this might be more familiar simply because may knobs, di ba? And sometimes when we work, minsan gusto natin yun, familiarity na yun eh. Or you may even think, if I had this for recording, great. And that's pretty much it, di ba? Or if I need convert like microphones into the computer, okay na yun. But the application more or less might stop there. Whereas if you get something like this, you can use it as an interface for your, old analog mixer going into your PC for streaming. But you could also use this as a standalone mixer, as a sub-mixer for keyboards, di ba? Or if you were to go streaming, or you have a duo doon sa church, or you're a duo na musician na gusto nyo mag-stream away, then not only for recording, this could also be used for live streaming and you have enough inputs. So depende rin talaga with your applications. The choices right now are so varied na you really have to know what's out there. But it really depends on what you really find the most advantageous to you. I hope nakatulong tong session natin in pushing faders. I hope hindi ako nakagulo, but more like mas nabigyan ko kayo ng insight of what things are. In these times of the pandemic, there are more relevant audio issues na pwede natin pag-usapan, and we're preparing for that. So watch out for the next videos. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next.